In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a testimonial slider in your Shopify store on the Dawn theme. Adding a testimonial slider is a great way to showcase real feedback from your customers and build trust on your store. I'll walk you through everything step by step, and by the end, you'll have an automatic sliding testimonial section live on your site. First, log into your Shopify admin. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Click on Online Store. This will open a page showing your current theme. On that theme, look for the option that says Customize or Edit Theme and click it. This takes you into the Shopify theme editor, where you can visually edit different parts of your store. Once you're inside the editor, decide where you want to place your testimonial slider. A popular choice is somewhere near your products, such as under a featured collection on the homepage or on a product page. Positioning it close to your products helps visitors see real reviews right when they're considering a purchase. Now, look again at the left-hand panel inside the editor. This is where your sections are listed. Scroll to where you want to insert the slider, then click Add Section. A list of section types will appear. Scroll down until you find Custom Liquid, then click it. This will add a new section and open up a large text box where you can paste embed code. In that text box, you'll need to copy and paste the exact code provided to you for the testimonial slider. The code can be a bit lengthy, so it's a good idea to pause the video while you carefully copy it over. Make sure you paste everything exactly as shown to avoid errors. After pasting the code, look at the live preview on the right side of the screen. You should now see a testimonial slider that automatically slides between different testimonials. To customize the content, go back to the code in the custom liquid box. Find the parts of the code that contain the testimonial text and the customer's name. You can highlight the existing text and type in your own testimonial and name. After editing one, check the preview on the right to confirm the changes look correct and display as you expect. If you want to add another testimonial, simply copy the entire block of code that represents one testimonial, then paste it directly underneath the previous block. Look at the preview again, and you should see an additional slide added to your slider. Once you're happy with how everything looks and all the testimonials are added and updated, don't forget the final step. Click Save in the top right corner. That will publish your testimonial slider to your live store.